Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add and edit overlays in VN Video Editor, even if you are a complete beginner. So before we start, make sure your VN Video Editor app is updated to the latest versions because some features may look different or may not be available in older versions. So let's get started. In here first, what exactly is an overlay? So overlay is an additional video or photo or text, sticker or other elements that you place on top of your main video. Like for example, you can use an overlay to add a reaction video or an image, a logo, effect, or even another video on top of your background. And then now let's see how to do it. First, just open VN Video Editor like this. Then tap on New Project by tap on the plus icon, New Video, and then tap on Save. And then in here, just like video or photo that you want to use as your main background or main video. For this tutorial, I'm just going to use a simple background, this one. Then tap on Next, like this. And once your background is added, we can start adding a overlay. To add one, just simply tap on the overlay icon, this one that has a plus icon, the image icon with plus icon like this. Just tap on it, and then in here, as you can see, we can give you several options for your overlay. You can add a video or photo, and then elements that has for graphic frames or even shapes like this, and then line and frames, even logo like this. You can add logos on here, and then many more graphic like this. You can also import your sticker or import your graphic files on here. And then beside that, you can also add text on here. And in this tutorial, I'm going to choose a video. So I want to tap this one, photos or videos, and then go to videos. And then I want to choose this one, and then just tap on next. And just like that, in here you can resize it, move it around, or just place it as you like. For example, I want to resize it like this, like this. And then next, you can adjust the overlay however you want. VN will give you several tools to edit your overlay even further. In here, for example, you can use cut out this one to remove the background from your overlay video, like this. And in here, you can use the automatic cutout with AI like this. And then next, and you can also another options to remove your background with using this chroma key. This is especially useful if your overlay was recorded with a green screen or another solid color background. This one, and then next, just simply select the area that you want to remove like this. You can see it, and then you can adjust the intensity, for example, like this, and spill like this. And then next in here, you can also make your overlay look more interesting using feature like blending, that you can choose these styles on here and then adjust the opacity on here. Just feel free to make your video more creative. And then you can also use mattes like this. And then beside that, in here you can even add multiple overlays to the same project. Just tap on the overlay icon again, and then just add another overlay that you want to add on your main video like this. You can see it. And in here you can also change the order of your overlays, and that's also very easy. Just simply press and hold the overlay that you want to move, and then just drag it up or down like this. You can see it like this. And in here you can also explore more feature on here to edit your overlay, so you can create a more creative video. And okay, maybe that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.